Good morning from HQ. Sunday the 3rd of June 2023. Upper Hayford. The first of the Inland Nationals and the Scottish National Flying Club. We're only flying Fed, unfortunately, but anyway. So in total there's 2,476 birds away for the SNFC. First section, Section A, has sent 464. It's going to be a lovely day. Hopefully the birds are up now or up already. Slightly toasty, getting up to about 20 degrees this afternoon for the laggy ones, but here at HQ at 7 in the morning it is gorgeous. Be lucky, daddies and babies. Well, we're here Saturday morning, it'll be about 8 o'clock in the shit shed, doing a bit of cleaning just to keep myself occupied. That back to front. Oh. 3 minutes to 8. 3 rings not arrived. The ladies. Right, I'm gonna do some scraper work now. Listen to some tunes. Saturday morning in the shit shed. Right, hello, just a little update from the shed. Gonna be scratching with my scraper. Birds are up at 8:30. This is meant to be my kiddies area. What are you big plugs doing in there? Yes, people like you, soldier. The hidey holes. We'll go outside now, look in the land bank. So, 8:45, word from the SNFC is the birds are up at 8:30. 240 miles. I'm not greedy, I'll take 40 miles an hour for anything. So, 4 into 240 is 6 hours. Half 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. I'll take anything before half 2, to be honest. Have a little catch up with my squabs. The land bank. This hopefully is going to be round 3 of the Chiquititas. Say hi to the camera then. This is where I tip them in for the first few days till we get used to the loft. This should also be, that's the one I got back, 17, 19. So that's another a yearling for next year. This is where all my Chiquititas hang out until they get their shit together. But the oldies seem to be moving in as well. Don't you old bugger? Oh, yeah. 2:30 I would be uber excited.